Good morning. How's everyone? I'm just kind of going to wing this thing. This is how to make the easy $5. You make $213,000 in a year with a one-time gift of $5. Now, here's how it works. Real simple. I refer you. I paid $5 to get into this. I gave it to Casey, who's my sponsor. Now, I sign you up, and you send me $5. The first person I signed up goes to Casey, but you're the second person, so you're in my line, and you send me $5 by PayPal. Now, you sent me $5, and you sign up Amos. Amos goes to me, and you forget about Amos. Amos pays me $5. Your second one is Andy, and he is in your line, and he pays you $5. Your second referral refers to other people, Anita and Dick. And Anita goes to Andy, and your referral is Dick. It goes to you. And you get $5 from Dick. So Anita's first referral is Mike, and you read that, okay? And so it goes. Your second referral and the first person everyone on your team refers pays you. So we got you, and you've got Andy paying you, Anita pays you, Mike pays you, and Zara pays you. So you're getting $20 every week, and you're paying me $5 every week. Not too shabby. Now, everybody gives you $5, and I get $5 from my people, or $5 from you, and that's it. Every week, $5, but that nets you because you're getting money every week. So you're in the green all the time. The groovy thing happens when you get a fifth person on your team. I work with you and help you get 5 people. Not really, because it's all done independently and don't need any help. But I will be there if you need me. Anyway, you get the fifth person. I get a $5 raise. So you pay me $10, and you made $25, so you net 15. Because everybody's paying you 5, and you send me 10 now instead of 5. That's $15 net every week. Now, when anyone on your team gets a fifth person, or 10th, or 15th, or any multiple of 5, you get a $5 raise, just like I did. So here's how that looks. We've got you, Andy, Anita, Mike, Zara, and Jamal. Gives you 5 people. You get $25. Now you send me $10 instead of 5, which nets you 15. Now Andy breaks loose, and he's got 5 people: Anita, Mike, Zara, Jamal, and Tanya. So he's got $25 and 5 people, so he sends you an extra $5. So he's already sending you 5. Now he sends you 10. So he's netting 15 out of 25, and you've got $10 coming in, and you're sending me 10. So that's pretty much even for that. You've got a net of $20. You got that? Oh well, study that graph. You can put a pause on this and study that. At the end of the week, I give my referrer $5. You give me $5. Andy gives you $5. Anita gives Andy $5. Every time someone gets a fifth member, another $5 is given up the line. Here's what that looks like. This is the important part. You're going to want to put pause on this after I stop talking. Now, this is doing the 5 thing. Casey was my sponsor. He gave me his referral code. I clicked his link, read about the Easy 5 program, and I thought, I have $5. The worst that could happen is I lose $5. I entered his referral code. I didn't need to talk to him because all the info is on the website. I put an ad in Craigslist or invite people I know. I know a ton of people, and so do you. You know at least 2 people have $5 they're not using. And I signed up 2 people, you and somebody else. Somebody else I signed up before you went to Casey. But you're on my team, and you pay me $5. Anyway, I signed up 2 people. Those 2, you and somebody else, signed up 2 people, and they signed 2, and they signed 2. That's it. Before long, easily within a week, you've got 5 groups of 5, and I'm getting $275 every week. If it stopped there, you can follow down here. Number 1 is the first 5, then it's 10, 20, 15, 20, 25. Anyway, by the time I'm done paying Casey and everybody's paying me, I net $275 every week if it stopped there. But it doesn't stop there. It keeps growing like the Energizer Bunny. It keeps growing and growing and growing. Okay, now remember, I only gave Casey, my sponsor, $5. And I invited you and another person who each gave only $5. Now, assuming everyone brings in only 2 people at $5 a person, you're now receiving $1,050 tax-free dollars every week. So this is your second set of 5. You got 30, 35. As you only brought in 1 person under you. You brought in 2 people. You only paid $5 to me. That's it. As it goes on, you're now getting $1,050 tax-free dollars every week. Like to see more? Study that. Put a pause on it. Study that chart there. Now, here's the third iteration. You got another 5 people, 5 people, 5 people, all the way down. Now you've got 75 people, or I do, in my thing. That's $2,325 a week net in my PayPal account with only $5 out of pocket. If you do 5 a week, which is easy, the third week you're making $2,300 a week, or 2 times 4 is $9,000. Not too shabby for $5. I'm going to show you one more time. This goes to infinity, by the way. So if you look at the chart on the left, it keeps going. You're making an extra 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, and it keeps going and going. Now, by the end of the 20th time, you've got groups of 5. That's 100 people on your team, we're going to call it. This is not an MLM. You only put $5 in. And I'm making $4,000 a week. $4,000 a week on a $5 gift that I gave to Casey, which is all tax deductible. I gave Casey $5. I invited 2 people who had $5. You were the second person. My first person went to Casey. They paid Casey $5 too. But you are now on my team, and you signed up 2 other people, and they signed up 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Everybody knows 2 people who have $5, right? You better, otherwise you need to change friends. So if you add all that up, that's $213,200 tax-free for a year for one gift of $5. That's it. $200 needs some more coffee. You now have $213,000 tax-free dollars, because these are all gifts, for the year for only one gift of $5. You want to double that? Invite 2 more people. And then send me another $5. You want more? Invite 2 more people. And invite 2 more people. You can do that as many times as you want. Invite 5 people directly. They each give you a $5 gift, and you give me $5 for each one of those. Now you're talking $1 million in a year. Yep, 5 people that you invite directly. The first one goes to me, the second one stays with you. Everybody pays $5 and it keeps on going down, just like we saw earlier. That's $1 million in a year. Now, of course, you can go a lot more than 5, but we're going to keep it there before it gets ridiculous. Now, that's enough for me. If you'd like to know more, there's a Zoom call tonight. This is Thursday. It's every Thursday, too, by the way. So here's the link. http://zoom.us. Click the join button. The meeting ID is that 828-618-7517. There's no password. I highly recommend getting on 10, 15 minutes early, because these things fill up. I got on 5 minutes early last week, and there were 4 slots left, and other people I invited waited too long, and they had to wait till people dropped off. Anyway, if you like what you see and have $5 lying around, call or text me, and I'll send you my referral code. If not, Barefoot Wine is on sale at Publix for $5. I recommend the Pinot Noir. If you have any questions that you don't want to post in whatever we're doing, Zoom Messenger or WhatsApp is love. I love WhatsApp, you know that. Anyway, you can email me at info@intelebank.org or hit my WhatsApp individual for an easy PM. You can also call me. You know my number's there on WhatsApp. That's it. Hope to see you there again tonight, Thursday, 8 o'clock Eastern Time.